On Sunday, May 26, the tragic Amtrak train crash occurred in Lakeland, Florida. The Amtrak Silver Star was on its route from New York to Miami when it crashed into a cargo train north of Lakeland. At least 4 individuals on the freight train were hospitalized. The Amtrak train was carrying around 130 passengers when it struck the freight train carrying lumber. Emergency crews and first responders were on the scene by 4:30 p.m. to provide medical aid and investigate the accident. One of the passengers, Kevin Herrera, was taken to the Lakeland Regional Medical Center for treatment of his injuries. Multiple agencies were involved in the crash investigation, including the Federal Railroad Administration, Amtrak Police, and Lakeland Police. The National Transportation Safety Board is expected to arrive soon to determine the cause of the crash. Amtrak has offered to cover expenses for passengers and crew members who were affected by the crash. The Amtrak subsequently provided transportation to passengers that were on board. In the wake of the accident, Amtrak released a statement expressing its deepest condolences to the families of those affected by the accident. Amtrak also reasserted its commitment to ensuring safety as its top priority. The incident resulted in all rail lines in and out of Lakeland being blocked for an extended period of time. Amtrak has also set up a customer assistance hotline for those affected by the crash. The investigators are focusing on the cause of the crash and whether it was a human error or mechanical failure. The incident serves as a reminder of the importance of safety and proper maintenance in the transportation industry. The results of the investigation will help to shed light on the factors that led to the tragedy. The Lakeland community mourns the tragedy and prayers are offered to those affected. The tragic accident has shocked locals and visitors of Lakeland. The Amtrak remains closed for further investigations but plans to continue its service in the near future. The city has been offering counseling sessions for those affected by the crash. Amtrak has been providing transportation and accommodations to passengers affected by the tragedy. The local community has shown great support by raising funds and donating supplies to those in need. The Lakeland Police are also offering their assistance to those affected by the accident. The investigation is ongoing and more information is expected to be released in the coming weeks.